How to replace a Human Touch Vesta Footrest Actuator. You will need a needle-nosed pliers to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, remove the head pillow from the chair. Place the remote on the left-hand side of the chair seat, with the cable tucked between the chair arm and the backrest. Disconnect the chair power cord from the power supply by lifting up on the connector lock and then disconnecting the connectors. Gently tip the chair onto its left-hand side. Remove the strap that secures the actuator cables to the chair frame. Disconnect the Footrest Actuator cable from the control module. Using a needle-nosed pliers, remove the cotter pin that secures the front of the actuator. Push the hinge pin downward to remove it, then remove the washer from the top of the mounting point. Using a needle-nosed pliers, remove the cotter pin that secures the rear of the actuator. Push the hinge pin downward to remove it, then remove the washer from the top of the mounting point. You can now remove the actuator from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new actuator into position, with the motor facing upward, then replace the rear hinge pin from the bottom of the mounting point. Replace the washer on the top of the mounting point, then replace the cotter pin to secure the actuator. Align the front actuator mounting points, then replace the hinge pin from the bottom. Replace the washer on the top of the mounting point, then replace the cotter pin to secure the actuator. Holding the actuator connector with the cable facing downward, connect the actuator connector to the control module using the socket to the left of the red backrest actuator connector. Gather all of the cables coming from the control module, then replace the strap to secure them to the chair frame. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Place the head pillow into position, threading the flap through the retaining strap on the back of the chair. Place the remote on the right-hand side of the chair. A magnet holds it in place. Connect the chair's power cord to the power supply, then close the connector lock to secure it. And you're done.